So, welcome back to the lovely TJ. I know I've been missing for a couple of weeks, but your girl had to get her mental together. So today, we're gonna try one of those little Bantu knots on my hair because it has really grown out. Like, don't judge, but I'm about to just rip this thing off and get started. So, as you see, my hair has grown a lot since the cut, and so now it's time to get right with it. Let me put this up a little bit for you guys. Oh, okay, so you see how long it has grown. I washed it today and put some conditioner on in there. Excuse if you guys hear a little bit of outside. I got my window open, but okay, so I'm going to use the Curl's Daughter Defining Butter. This is my homemade water spray. And I'm also gonna use some shea butter. Also, I have a little scrunchie, a little parter comb, and we have some, what's this thing called? Barbie pins? I think so. I'm gonna start from the front and then work my way back. But you got me, so I'll go ahead and give it a try with this. So don't be surprised if I throw this comb somewhere, because yeah, I don't care to do all that. Okay, so I'm gonna get the first one done here. There's no scrunch me right here out my way. I wonder how many I'm actually gonna be able to get, because you know, who knows with this mess. I'm actually gonna save the oil for when we take them a loose, but I really hope this turns out well, because I remember when I did have a good amount of hair, it turned out pretty well. It was different. I just gotta make sure, you know, it's get pulled apart properly, because if not, then it's like, oh, what is going on? We look at our comments. Y'all, I just do this like this little spinny method with my finger, and then just rotate around, rotate around. Then this side. Like I said, I'm gonna do 3 here, and then we'll be back to you. So we want to watch the method here. Hope you guys can see this one. You're just gonna keep on twisting. And then you just makes like a little cinnamon roll. Sorry. And what you do is you kind of want to go underneath. You see? Underneath. So. Try to do another 3, and what we're gonna do is come in once again. Excuse my hair. We're gonna twist. Use this comb real fast. Sorry. Twist. Little method. Twist. Twist and fall under. Fall under. There we go. I hope this is pretty tomorrow. And obviously I probably don't have to do as many as I'm actually doing. But yeah. Oh, you guys see, ooh, my hand is blocking, sorry. I'm gonna rotate, 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 up under, up under. Hey everyone, welcome back to the lovely TJ. So today we're gonna go ahead and take out the Bantu knots to see what the final look is going to look like. And also I did add an additional one back here yesterday. I was like, huh, let me see if I can revert that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this stuff and see what the final look is gonna look like, baby. And I am going back with my I am gonna take some of my shea butter oil. I'm just gonna actually take all my roll body hands out first, and then we'll actually go in with taking them apart and flushing it out or whatever, to see if this is gonna be another style that I attempt to do. But this is my first time doing this, so I don't know what it's about to look like. It could be an epic fail, or it could be like, yes, let's do this again. Okay, so for this, I am gonna put oil on my hands, so when I say put on my face, I could try to reduce the fuzziness, even though I probably end up getting it out anyway. So we'll see. What did I do?
Jesus Christ.
What did I do? Yeah. Oh my god, what the fudge? Yeah. I'm so nervous. So I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to do. Okay. I'm just gonna go with my hair. No, I didn't. I'm about to put some more oil on my hand. Just, you know. Taking my hair in my hand, going like this. I honestly don't know how I'm feeling about my hair because, honey, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this here. Because I'm used to this, obviously, I just wear my curl pattern all the time. So this is definitely something new. It may not look as bad as I think, but y'all gonna have to tell me. You can be like, no girl, don't ever do this again. Or just practice make perfect. It just gave me like a bigger afro look, and I don't know if I like it, honestly. I don't know. Like, this is before. I guess pull this one. Maybe it's not as bad as I think it is. I don't know. I'm just gonna have to continue. It made me. It definitely stretched my hair more, so have a more forward-looking little afro. It's maybe not that bad. Afro, and I do have to remember I did have like a Pixie side cut thing, so it's not gonna be a full, you know. So yeah, I'm done messing around with this. I'm gonna rock it and be happy with it because guess what? He's gonna kill me. Nobody. Honestly, now that I look at it more, I don't quite think it would be bad about trying some back. It's a cute little full afro. It's cute. Lovely this. I'm sorry for you. Starting to roll over me. So if you want to achieve this look, you saw I did 3 Bantu knots in the back. I had 4 rows. So 3, 3, 3, and 2 up front. I slept in it overnight. I used the curling fine butter and the shea butter oil, and then I just used a water bottle to take them out. I just used the shea butter and took them out of the refrigerator. I start pulling them apart to my thing, and it gives me, since I don't have like a usually don't have a part in my hair, a fine part which I normally rock, and I'm starting to like it when I'm like, there's a cute full afro look, like if you see, very full up here in the top. Thank you for tuning in with the lovely TG. See you later. Bye bye.